Today I'm trying to remove the roots of this cherry tree right here. It has some suckers, and I had the suckers removed, but they got as big as a couple of inches in diameter. And over here you see the cuts, and also over there they would be sticking out from the grass, and it's hard to mow the lawn and try to avoid these so the mower's blade won't catch on them and ruin the lawnmower. But anyway, this is the cherry tree that I trimmed back. I tried to trim it back really harsh, and it died on me. I had two of them. The one back there is still good, still alive, but this one is dead. So eventually I'm gonna try to remove the big trunks on the side and probably leave the one in the middle standing, so I can mount like I don't know, birdhouse or security cameras, what have you. But for now, my objective is to have these suckers roots removed, and I try to chip at it. I use the tools they have here. This is a concrete breaker bar. And also I use that item. Forgot what it's called because I'm senile a little bit. That did hurt my hand. Okay, this is the next day. Yesterday I was able to sever the smaller roots. There's one. There's another one here and there. And that one. And there's one down there. There's a piece of it. And also that one. There might be more hidden underneath, but there's one. But these are the ones that I've been able to cut off. There should be one there. And there. And there as well. That's a big one. But the main one, the big one right here. This is the foot wide root that is closer to the trunk, and I've been able to chip off that much. Maybe next time I need a circular saw or something and make cuts and kind of chip away at it. I don't know if there's a better way of doing this. I don't know, that's as much as I could do as of yesterday.